and welcome to a new Kids Tech video. And today I'll be showing you how to do math in Python with numbers or variables or whatever. It just has to be a number. So you might see that this is a little different today, and the reason for that is I'm using the gaming computer I built in a different video for the video today, and I don't have Python installed on it yet. I should probably do that. But so I'm using this website called Replit. I think it's like, I don't know how to say it, but yeah. And you could code in any programming language you want, and this is Python right now, so here. So what we are going to do here is I'll be showing you how to do math in Python. Well, you might say, that's really easy, Gino. You just like put the multiplication sign or the division sign or the plus and minus sign. For the plus and minus sign, that works perfectly. Like x equals 1 plus, plus 1, and then print x. Remember, you don't put the quotation marks around it because we don't want it to be a string because it's a number. If you put quotation marks around it, it'll just print x. So yeah, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now let's do 2 minus 1. Okay. But now for multiplication, there is no multiplication sign on your keyboard. Now let's say you put x there. It'll have a syntax error. So what you do for multiplication is you do an uppercase 8 on my keyboard, or just whatever it is for an asterisk, or I think that's what that's called. And that's the multiplication sign. So you can run that. There you go, 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2. Actually, I should probably do a different example. 4 multiplied by 2. 8. Okay. So now let's do division. Now you might say, wait, Gino, there's no division on my keyboard. So what should I do? You put that slash right there. That backslash, I think it's I don't know. So put that slash there, and then put whatever number you want to divide, like that. 6 divided by 3. Let's run. 2. And that's kind of just like the basics of doing math. If you want to divide a number and get rid of the remainder, like if I divide 6 by 5, it will be a decimal. But if I decide I only want the number, I just want it to round, I just don't want the decimal, I just don't care about the remainder, I only want the number, then you could put 2 of the division signs and then do it, and that will print 1. If you want to add an exponent, you put 2 multiplication signs, and then you put your number, 36, because 6 times 6 is 2. Or you could do like really big numbers, like 6 to the 1, whatever that number is, power. Did I just break it? I don't know. Let's just do 100. Oops. Okay, that's a big number. I get why it didn't work when I tried to put 6 times whatever number I did, because you'd probably need a supercomputer to do that. But yeah, this is how you do math in Python. And also remember, you can do this using variables. Like if A equals 6 and B equals 7, you can do math using those variables inside of there. So you can put, a plus b plus 4, or you could just put a plus b, 6 plus 7, 13. What you can also do if you don't want to use the variables, you can just do the math inside of the print command. So b plus a or whatever, and it will still print the same thing. But remember, do not put quotation marks. If you put quotation marks, it will not work because it will say it's a string. And a string is like words, so I'll just put b plus a instead of what you actually want it to be. So just keep that in mind. There are so many things you can do with math in Python, and you should learn this. There's other things you can do, but this is just like the very basics. So you have to keep this in mind because like pretty much every Python project you do probably has something to do with numbers. And I'll actually be showing some example Python projects once we get like midway through the series. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, it helps out a lot. And since I'm only a small YouTuber, I only have a few subscribers, it's like helps out so much that you subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.